Welcome to this short, guided meditation designed to help reduce anxiety by peaceful pathways. Please find a quiet and comfortable space where you can sit undisturbed during this time. Take a deep breath in, hold it for a count of 3, 2, 1, and now slowly exhale. Keep breathing in deeply and slowly exhaling. Feel your body relax with each breath you take. As we take this time to focus on our breathing, imagine yourself sitting in a peaceful meadow on a sunny afternoon. You feel the warmth of the sun on your skin and the gentle breeze moving through your hair. Around you, there are beautiful wildflowers in bloom, their sweet fragrances floating throughout the air. Remember, it's okay to feel anxious. Everyone experiences anxiety from time to time. What's important is that we learn how to manage it. This meditation will guide you on how to do that. Now gently close your eyes and concentrate on your breathing. This is a breathing technique shown to help lessen anxiety. Now inhale very slowly, pausing, and then exhaling gradually over numerous seconds. I'll guide you through the counts. As we get started, inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath for a count of 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then gently exhale through your mouth for a count of 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As you keep breathing deeply, visualize each inhale as a soothing light entering your body, bringing calmness and healing with it. Imagine with each exhale a release of any tension, anxiety, or fear that you might be holding on to. This practice not only helps in regulating your breathing, but also cultivates a sense of inner peace. While maintaining this breathing pattern, picture the tranquil meadow around you once more. Pay special attention to the smaller details. Observe the vibrant colors of the flowers, the unique formation of the leaves, the graceful flight of the butterflies, and the soft whisper of the breeze. Be completely absorbed in this moment, in this peaceful environment. Allow yourself to let go, forget about your worries, and just appreciate the simple beauty of the world around you. Allow any anxious thoughts to come and go like clouds in the sky. Don't judge them or try to push them away. Instead, consider them as temporary guests in your mind. Simply observe them and let them pass, just like how we watch clouds drift by. This acknowledgement and acceptance is a key step in managing anxiety, as it gives you a sense of control and understanding over your feelings. Now, place your hand over your heart. Feel the warmth and the steady beat. Say to yourself, I am doing my best. I am enough. Recognize that this feeling is the affirmation of your life, your existence, and your capacity to overcome obstacles. You are not expected to be perfect, and it's okay to have ups and downs. What matters is that you are trying your best, and that is enough. This act of self-compassion not only reduces stress, but also fosters self-confidence and cultivates inner peace. As we come to the end of this meditation, take one last deep breath, inhaling peace and calm, exhaling any remaining anxiety. Allow this tranquil energy to envelop you, soothing and reassuring you that you have the strength to face whatever comes your way. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to appreciate the stillness and calm that you've cultivated. Remember, this peaceful meadow is always here for you, whenever you need a moment of calm. Thank you for joining me. I hope you feel calmer and less anxious as you leave this practice. I wish you a very peaceful rest of your day. Take care.